All right, how's the audio there now? Is it working? All right, there we go. All right, hopefully everybody can hear loud and clear on Rich. Everybody can hear loud and clear on social. All right, perfect. All right, guys. So anyway, regarding about what happened with coin, you saw what was going on regarding over the week. I told you I'm really excited. I think it's going up a little too fast now. I'm getting a little nervous, but I'm still ticked off at myself that I sold it because I had a really nice position in it, but I ended up buying a little bit smaller position. Chasing it. I got a little shaked out right here back on this November when it hit 100, came back down to about 92. So other than that, there's a lot of things going on. So anyway, is it ever too late to trade the stock? I don't know. Listen, never too late. Stock was up at 300, was at 400. It's testing probably this big resistance level, support levels back last year about that 150. So it looks like we're going to probably get there. If it breaks out, it could go to 200. But unbelievable run up on that one. Really excited to talk a lot about that this week on NASDAQ when I'm going to be on there Wednesday. Remember, I did talk about it. I did tell everyone a little bit about it. It's not just about economic calendars, earnings, but looking pretty well there. But overall, let's talk about some of the stocks that we traded last week, because we have a bunch of new people that are joining us right now. And also there are people here that join us for the first time. So let's show what we actually traded last week. Regarding about the market. So anyway, a couple of really nice moves. You had a great run up on Friday. You could see that thing right out of the gate ran from about $29 and up to about 11 o'clock, ran to about 32. Do I have to show you the cyber clock again? All right, does it show you the cyber clock? Look at that right there, cyber clock. See that right there? Big move right there on that clock right there. All right. So that stock had a big move right there. Also, what else we got going on? Big move on. What else we got going on? We had what else that moved up pretty nice? Affirm. That one also moved up pretty nicely. Look at that beauty. 34 all the way to 38. I mean, that stock also. You thought Coinbase was pretty good. Affirm has just been nonstop. It's been nonstop since November. Was at 15. The stock has more than doubled. And you know what? It's starting to come back down finally, but another really nice move on Affirm. Hold on, just hide this over here so you guys can see a little bit better. So we had Affirm. We also had, what else that moved up pretty nicely? We had Affirm. Oh my God, there was just so many on Friday. NEXI, that was a big runner from the day before, and it finally came back down a little bit. That one moved up pretty big. Path. Another nice little move at 22 to 25. View. I can do this all day long. I mean, View was really off the charts. That thing ran from 75 cents to almost $3. I mean, this is all just on Friday. And then we had a nice pop and drop on NX. Was it NX? Was NEXI, right? NEXI. That one had that's the one I saw earlier. That one had that big pop and so on. But I'm going to remember all those stocks that we found that on the crypto side, on blockchain and coin. So coin's going back on the watch list. Not only has been a great day trade, but it's been a great swing trade. Affirm, I don't know if we want to be on the day traded side, probably more on the swing side, but Mara is on the MARA, Riot, RIOT. They're all moving because remember, we're getting close to that big announcement. If the ETF is going to come out on Bitcoin with BlackRock. There we go. All right. So what's moving? Also, it's moving. Is there anything else that's moving? Listen, there's a couple of pretty interesting stocks I'm going to keep an eye on. This one was pretty awesome. It had a good run up, but what was really nice about this is the iceberg orders. I want to bring this up and show you what got going on over here. Look at these gorgeous iceberg orders right there. Look at this person. He showed up after 8 a.m. Came down. So here he had a stock go from $34 all the way down to 24. And if you wonder why, this is a ladder effect. Usually we see this on the way up. Now we're actually seeing it on the way down. All right. So the EYPT, what a really nice trending stock. Listen, it's up to $5 with the 35. Come on, give me a break. Thing right now is up 275%. It was up probably 400% if we were at trend at 35. This stock I'm putting on my level, I'll put it on probably my third list. EYPT. You know what? If you up that much, what would you be doing right now? Probably taking a big profit, right? So anyway, let's see what else is on our list that looks pretty good. ATHE, another stock up 200%. It is coming back down itself too. I'm seeing a big iceberg order did show up right around here, around $8 for 67,000. I mean, they're big volume stocks. They are up a lot. I mean, so I would be really cautious about that. That's the only concern I have. Like being up 200-300% over the weekend. I think anyone here probably will like take a profit on that. Same thing about Coinbase. So Coin also, it's been on a downtrend right now. The thing has been up huge. You can see how it hit the 500, the 150. Now it's down to 144. A lot of profit taking. Program trading kicked in right around 8 o'clock. You could see that right there. A lot of chaos. So once again, day trading, I don't know, swing trading, 150 is that big number right there. So want to keep be focused on that one too. SSNT, nice stock, up 3 million shares, 94%. SSNT, I would keep an eye on that one too. That one's going on our watch list. They have that one. I had this one here. Is this a buyout? I think it's a buyout. I don't know what this is all about. All right, so this one I want to show you what's going on. RDHL had a big move up, went to $2 down to $1.70. This is awesome. Look at this big iceberg order. It's the kryptonite, $2 and 205, 33,000 and 73,000. So if you want to know why it's not getting past that $2 price range, which is right around there, that's the reason why. Okay, but if we saw what happens, if that seller gets done, we're all over that, like, right on white on rice. That one we already know about. Just look at the big gainers. This one's going up. Mara, we know it's already starting to go down. This is going down. This one is moving. I didn't have it on my level 4. I just want to see what's going on there with this one, even though I did bring it up on my list. I didn't have the level 4 coming up. Let me see what's going on over here. All right, any orders out there? We got a couple iceberg orders, small, 6,000 at $6. So you could tell by the tier size are really small. Remember, 50% of the people lose money in trading because the stock is not tradable. This one we already talked about. Spread is pretty big. All right, I think we're pretty much done there. A lot of stocks up like 19%, 16%. ALT looks pretty good. ALT that was stock we traded the other day. Remember? ALT yesterday on Friday had a big pop. Looks like she's moving up again. It was a nice slow mover. I know the stock has really good iceberg orders. Put this one up here. Check out what that's going on over there. Level 4. That one looks pretty good. Let's go hop over here on New York Stock Exchange. Usually garbage New York Stock Exchange and pre-market. New York usually picks up when the market opens up, but usually most of the action happens on NASDAQ. Okay, so on that stock right there we just called out, the ALT, we got a couple of nice iceberg orders. We're just getting some data right now coming in. All right, right here you can see it. Big orders starting to show up right here. You see volume start picking up. Big iceberg orders right here. Not that big, but there's a big one, 100,000 right at 570, which is probably last week, right? 570, yeah, right there. That's from yesterday, from Friday's high. That's why. Okay, so we're already having program trading kicking in. So this one looks pretty good too. All right, so listen, it's Monday, everybody. It's technically, I would say it's the first week of the month. This is going to be a full 4-week month. The last day of pay period does end on a Friday. It's the 29th. Okay, the 31st ends on a Sunday, which obviously is New Year's Eve. So it's going to be a full 4-week blast. The next 2 weeks, I think, are going to be very active. Once we start getting about Christmas time, when we start getting into the week of the 18th, I think the 20th, things are going to start slowing up. People are going to start going away. Christmas starts on the 25th. So that week, it's going to probably be a slow week. All right, so no better time to learn than to trade. Bill says, Uber, the slow poke swing trade on my October 30. So it's got a good option trade on that one. Uber. Yeah, that Uber is doing fabulous. I had a really nice move sometime you could see right after hours on Friday. So good job on that call, Bill. All right, everybody. Anything else that we're missing that we not call out? Pretty good, decent list. Don't get too cocky. It is Monday. We will find new ones that will pop up when the market opens up. Let's get ready for the open, everyone. Okay, so remember, we got about a little more than 15 minutes. If you're watching on the social media, you got that little QR code on the top left-hand side. Just click on it, take your phone, scan it. You're more than welcome to join our trading room all day long, see what we're getting into, and hopefully get some of these beautiful winners. But remember, it's not about the winners controlling those losers. Everyone, congratulations. Hopefully everyone enjoyed some of those Like, hopefully you got some of those good swing trades, but there's always a new day. There's always new ones. As we see them, we'll spill them out. Good luck, everyone. Trade safe. Enjoy the week. Let's get ready for the market open.